Hi there, I'm going to walk you through a very cool way of using the video postcards where you can actually customize the message that's being sent out about your postcard, so it's not just a text message, it actually contains this image in it. Now this is a video postcard, this is what it looks like, and you create it in about 2 minutes using the application I'm going to show you. You can record a video directly in this application with the tool there, and or you can upload a video, or you can use a link from YouTube or something. Then you add the information on the left here that is about your offer, and below here you've got a link to a website you would like to redirect them to after they've heard your message here. And then it's got this cool little postage stamp which can be your picture on it as well. So this is what we've got, and when you create one of these in Business Card Social and you send it out by email to your list of people you'd like to present this offer to, and a message is sent by email that is just a text message. I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is what I would like it to look like, and this is what I'm going to show you how to do, and I'm going to also show you what it actually looks like. Oops, I'm going the wrong way here, sorry about that. So this is the message that's sent directly from the system, and it's just text with a link to your postcard and then the information that was on the postcard. It says, Judy Fitzpatrick has sent you an audio video postcard. To watch or listen to this complete message, please click on the following link. They click on that link, it takes them to the actual video postcard that you just saw, and then the information is below. But you know what, let's get more creative and let's create something like this. Wouldn't you love to have the image of the actual postcard that they can click on, and when they do, it takes them to the message instead of just the text message. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go back to Business Card Social. To create a video postcard, it's very simple. You go to the Applications and Tools link, and you click on the second one here that is Audio Video Postcards. You're going to click on Create and Edit, and then Create New, and this is going to open the application with the camera. Now if you have a laptop computer, you have a camera and a microphone built in already, so you can just go ahead and record, and click on the record here and make sure you save it. Now if you have a desktop computer, you do have to have an external camera attached to your computer along with the microphone, and then you can go ahead and use this application as well. Other alternatives are to paste code from YouTube, or you can actually upload a video that you've recorded externally. And you can also just do an audio recording rather than video, so that's an option for you too. Now about the actual other content, the text content on that postcard, there's going to be a message title, and then there's going to be a link that you're redirecting them to, a web page. So you're going to put the URL in there and the text that you would like that URL to be displayed as, and that's going to be under the video that you're recording on that postcard. And then the text that you saw, which was more about the message that I was giving them. So this is your offer, which would be on the left, and you can add all of your content there. You can have bullet points, you can change the text color, highlight, underline, add images. You could do all kinds of things. It's a full text editor there. The next thing you want to do is decide when this postcard expires. You could have a postcard that you want to keep going on forever. You could have one that maybe a special offer is only 30 days, one that's 7 days, and you can have a self-destruct one. So when it's viewed once, it's done, it gets deleted, so that's over it. So there's all kinds of applications for those expiry dates on your videos. This is really important right at the end here. It's how long, or if you would like to keep this video private. Otherwise it's going to show up in the list of available videos to all of the Business Card Social members, and we don't necessarily want that. You don't want a bunch of litter in there if these are just personal messages you're sending to people. So make it private. If it's an offer that's just going out to your select target audience, then just keep it that. So just as a courtesy to everybody else. You'll click on Create New Postcard, and then it'll save what you've recorded here, and or what you've uploaded, and it's going to create the postcard like I showed you there. Now, so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how you're actually going to take that image and put it on an email. So we have to actually get the image. So we're going to go to the postcard we were just looking at, and there it is. So here's the postcard. So there we go, the image is available now. So we want to, this is what we want in the postcard. We want the image, or in the email, we want the image of the postcard. So how do you capture that and put it in your postcard? Very simple to do. There is a key on your keyboard called print screen, and it's PRTSCR. It's going to be on the top panel of keys where your F keys are, usually to the right. So when you press that, it captures the image of your screen, and then you're going to want to paste that into your Paint program. Now on Windows computers, it is in your programs under your utilities. So I'm going to open my Paint program, and now I want to paste that image in there. So let's do that. So there it is. I pasted the image from my screen, and when you first paste it, you can drag it up wherever you want it. So I'm going to drag it to the upper left corner, because I only want that. I don't want the whole screen, and it did capture the image of the whole screen. And I need to do a quick little edit here to drag the sides in so there isn't more on this. Hold on a second. I'm just going to pause this so I can do that. Okay, I've edited it now. In Paint, there's these little dots that are on the outside of the image that you can drag in or drag out to edit the image, or the content that you actually want. So now we've got the image. I think it's a little bit big, so I like to resize it down to about 75%. So I click on the resize button in Paint, and I just reduce the size of the image because that's what I want to paste into my email. So now I'm going to click on, let me just rotate or bring this up so you can see the buttons I'm clicking on. This was the resize button. Here is the select button. Now when I click on select, I want to select the image and copy it so I can paste it into my email. So I click on select all. It selects. You can see the outline on the image. Then I'm going to click on my keyboard. It's on the bottom left corner of your keyboard. It's called the control key, CTRL, and C for copy. And then I'm going to go over and compose an email and paste it into the email. So let's go to compose. And let me just give you a little better view here. I'm going to just space down a little bit because I want to put some text before it. But to paste it, you do the control key again and the V key, and it'll paste that image into your email. So there you have the image. Now you're going to want to hyperlink it, so when they click on the image, it actually takes them to your video postcard. Now let's go back to that postcard. Remember, here's your postcard. Now the URL to do that is up in the address bar here. So when you click on that and do a copy, you're going to paste that into the email. But let me just go back to where we were there. So there's the email, and let me drag it over just a touch here. So you click on that, and in your email program you look for this link thing here to put a hyperlink on the image. So you're going to click on that. Every email program is a little bit different, so you have to find how you hyperlink in yours. Click on insert link, and I'm going to paste that link in there. Now it has hyperlinked my email. So that is something that's clickable. When they click on it, it's going to take them to that web page. Now the actual email that you send, you want to do some customizing of it beyond just sending the postcard. The reason for that is that this is an image in the email, and some people's emails are set so they don't display images, and so you've opened emails where the image is just a box with an X in it. So that's a possibility that could happen. So you want your message to make sense. So I always type something in here as a headline. Click on the image to view video. And I also put that hyperlink down at the bottom of the video, just in case the image isn't available. They can actually click on the hyperlink. And then I'm going to take the content from this video sorry, not from the video, from the postcard, the content that's on the left here, and I'm going to duplicate it down here as well. And take time to highlight and bold and do the text size and so on. So just in case this image isn't available, that they actually get your message, and they click on the link to view your video postcard. So that's what I do now. So now it's all hyperlinked, and you've taken the time to customize this email. Then you can send it out to all the people that you're going to send it to. I'm going to just do the test, so I'm going to send it to myself. So, and click on send, and it's going to send that. So I'm going to go to my inbox, and there it is. So let's just make sure that that worked. We'll do a test on it. Whoops, it's not the one we wanted. Hold on a second. Let me drag this over so you can see it properly. So there's the email with the video in it. And yeah, so now when we click on it, it's going to take us to the video postcard. And there it goes, it's going to play. So there you have it. That's how you do that. And I love to do it this way because I find it more personal. Having an image in the email inspires people to want to click on it, especially if they recognize you. They want to know what you have to say. It's one way of doing it. You can absolutely just use the application as it was created, or you can do it this way. This is an option for you. Let me know what you thought of this tutorial. If you've got any questions, please post them in the comments, and if there's other things that you would like to see here in tutorials, let me know, and we'll see if we can create those. Thanks for listening.